you will need to leave Australia within 60 days from the cease of your employment. Hello guys, welcome back to Sole Edu and Migration YouTube channel. My name is Tien, I'm the Registered Migration Agent. In today's video, I will give you information about the frequently asked questions related to TSS visa, which is the visa subclass 482. If you like our videos and would like to know more about the education and migration policies and updates in Australia, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. So in Australia, if you would like to apply and have been granted the 482 TSS visa, depending on which stream you are applying for, you will be eligible to get 2 to 4 years based on the stream as well as the offer of employment for the duration. So technically speaking, if you are applying for short-term visa, unless for some special cases, you will be granted a 2 years visa. If you are applying for the medium and long-term occupation or the labor agreement stream, you will be eligible to get up to 4 years. However, if you are holding a Hong Kong passport or British national overseas passport, you'll be eligible to get a 5 years 482 visa. Yes, so you can extend your 482 visa while onshore or offshore. However, based on the requirements, if you are applying for the short-term stream, you will be eligible only to extend the visa once while you are in Australia. You can include your partner into the 482 visa application as long as your employer agrees, and your partner will be eligible to work unlimitedly under the 482 dependent visa. Generally speaking, because for the 482 visa, you're supposed to work full-time, so we don't encourage or you are not allowed to study and work full-time at the same time, but you can undertake some part-time studies if you have interest in specific courses. So if you're holding 482 visa, you can only work for your employer. You can't work for the second employer or for the second job, or you will be breaching your visa condition for the 482 visa. So on TSS 482 visa, you're supposed to work full-time unless for some exceptional circumstances. Let's say if you are currently on maternity leave, or you are on sick leave, or you have special personal leave, then you can apply to work part-time. But other than that, you're supposed to work full-time under the 482 TSS visa. If you are currently under 482 visa and you would like to quit your job, then you will need to leave Australia within 60 days. Or if you can find an eligible sponsor for the TSS visa, then you will need to also do so within 60 days. If you would like to change company under 482 TSS visa, you need to make sure the new employer also have the standard business sponsorship as well as the nomination approval before you can start working for them. If your sponsor stops your employment or sponsorship, then you will need to look for a new sponsor, and they will need to pass the sponsorship as well as the nomination, or you will need to leave Australia within 60 days from the cease of your employment. So basically, the Department of Home Affairs, the one to make decision regarding your visa application. So your employer cannot cancel your visa, but they do have the right to cease your employment, which you might breach your visa condition if you don't work under the 482 TSS visa. Yes, if you are currently holding 482 TSS visa, you might be eligible to apply for skilled migration visas such as Visa Subclass 189, 190, or even Regional Skill Visa 491, depending on your skills, points and skill assessment and employment requirements. Yes, there will be age limit for up to 45 years old at the time of visa application, unless for some special circumstance that you might be exempted. So today is the end of the frequently asked question related to 482 TSS visa, but if you would like to know more about the process, what will be the eligibility requirements, how the sponsor, how the employer can do the process, please click this video to know more details. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. So we will see you next time.